everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, we're back with another video, and I'm feeling a little bit better after the FTX skadoobly. There's a bunch of brand new, I guess, updates. I wouldn't say good news, I would just say more like updates in terms of the Chapter 11 bankruptcy from BlockFi that still has my money, that hopefully gets withdrawn soon. But, you know, we went through the emotions. Let's just relax for now. Just pray for the best. And Bitcoin, you know, as always, when I upload, it is always tanking. The market is tanking overall whenever I'm uploading a brand new video. But let's take a look at the charts to take a closer look at what's going on. And oh my goodness gracious, I forgot what happened that day. Oh, recently FTX got arrested. I keep saying FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried got arrested. And he's currently, you know, looking at the chart, and we're looking at $16,000, so it's bouncing between like this weird like price range. I mean, you would think that at this point we would have just capitulated down to like $10,000. That's kind of like the psychological number that everybody has in mind. This is kind of my second bear market. The first one I bought back Bitcoin in 2017, but I only bought like $200 just to see what Bitcoin was about,
and it's gone.
We're gonna talk about Cardano, which I don't even want to talk about that either. It's currently at a quarter. Like, oh my goodness, man, it was up at $3 and like 9 cents or something like that, and then now we're like back down to like levels that I thought, you know, we were gonna bounce around like 30 cents. Now we're down to like 25 cents at this point. It's like, how much lower can you go? I don't know. It looks like it stabilized here for like 3 to 10 cents for a while. I don't know. I don't expect it to go that down, but at this point, what can you say, man? A lot of black swan events, you know, a lot of fiascos going on. Everybody's going bankrupt. You never know what could happen. Look at that, down 4.20%. The other note, I didn't mention this in previous videos. I'm not sure why, but I bought two new NFT purchases. One of them being Junkies. This is coming from the team of BitBoy Crypto, DZ. So the second NFT purchase that I got was a Crypto Skull, which is basically, you know, historical NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. This is actually my first ever NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. I know, I'm sorry, Cardano fans. I'm sorry. Don't get too mad at me. Don't get too mad at me. You know, it's historical NFT, so you got to give me some praise. You know, I bought a, you know, Space Buds before I bought a Crypto Skull, so take it easy on me, all right? I know there's like a whole recession and crypto market crash, and like nobody's got money and everybody's in like crazy loans right now, but enjoy the times with your family. Take a deep breath. Remember, it could always be worse. Yeah, your entire account is down to 0 or maybe 90% if you're lucky to still have your crypto. But at the end of the day, if you're still breathing, if you're still, you know, feeling healthy, and you're around with the people that you love, then at the end of the day, I think that's a win. But I still want my damn crypto back. Come on, BlockFi, please just give me my money back. Make sure to check out my Twitter. Make sure to follow the YouTube page. And yeah, like and subscribe. My usual solution, I'm going to say it out right now. I'm going to start trading crypto. Let's see how that goes. We're going to flash forward to 1 year from today to see how that went. So clip this. If not, then yeah, I don't know what happened to my trading portfolio. But other than that, thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Thank you for everybody that supported for me on this YouTube journey and on Twitter. And yeah, I will see you guys in 2023. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.